Best Powerline Adapters ensure fast, reliable internet by using electrical wiring to extend network coverage, ideal for eliminating Wi-Fi dead zones and ensuring stable connections for gaming, streaming, and work. My today's video is about top 5 best Powerline adapters that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at TP-Link AV2000 Powerline Adapter. This device is a powerhouse when it comes to delivering high-speed internet over your power lines, offering speeds of up to 2000 megabits per second. It's perfect for streaming in 4K, gaming without lag, and extending your network to hard-to-reach areas in your home. One of the key features of the TP-Link AV2000 is its 2 gigabit Ethernet ports, allowing you to connect multiple devices directly for the most stable connection possible. Security is also a top priority, with 128-bit AES encryption ensuring your network remains private and protected. Setting up this adapter is incredibly easy thanks to its plug-and-play functionality. No complex configuration is required. Moreover, the TP-Link AV2000 is compatible with a wide range of other Powerline adapters, including AV2000, AV1300, AV1200, AV1000, AV600, AV500, and AV200 models, making it a versatile choice for any existing Powerline network. As a bonus, its power-saving mode reduces energy consumption by up to 85%, making it eco-friendly and cost-effective. Now our second product is TP-Link Powerline Ethernet Adapter Starter Kit. The TP-Link Powerline Ethernet Adapter Starter Kit is a set of 2 adapters that uses HomePlug AV2 standard to provide high-speed data transfer rates of up to 1000 megabits per second. With a gigabit port, it is ideal for providing secure wired networks for desktops, smart TVs, or games consoles. The adapters are easy to set up with plug-and-play, and have a patented power-saving mode to reduce power consumption by up to 85%. They are compatible with all TP-Link AV PowerPoint adapters, but it is important to note that they only provide wired connections and do not work with surge protectors. Our third product is TP-Link AV600 Powerline Ethernet Adapter. The TP-Link Powerline Adapter is a wired connection device designed for high-speed data transfer rate, making it ideal for HD video or 3D video streaming and online gaming with a speed of up to 100 megabits per second. With its plug-and-play feature, users can easily set it up without any configuration required. The TLPA4010 KIT expands your home's existing electrical circuit into a high-speed network with no need for new wires or drilling, bringing wired network to anywhere there is a power outlet, up to 300 meters. Its miniature design blends discreetly in front of any power outlet. Moreover, this adapter automatically switches to efficient power-saving mode when not in use, reducing energy consumption by up to 85%. Now number 4, Netgear Powerline Adapter Kit. Netgear Powerline Adapter Kit allows you to extend your internet access to any room in your house using your existing electrical wiring. With gigabit speeds through your electrical outlets, it's perfect for connecting smart TVs, streaming players, and game consoles with 4K HD streaming and lag-free gaming. The adapter kit also features a noise-filtered power outlet built into the adapter, multiple data streams with beamforming technology, and the ability to connect multiple adapters to expand your network coverage. It's easy to set up in minutes with no software installation required. And our last choice is TP-Link AV1000 Powerline Ethernet Adapter. This adapter offers high-speed data transfer rates of up to 1000 megabits per second, making it perfect for connecting smart TVs, gaming consoles, or desktop computers with a stable wired connection. One feature that sets the AV1000 apart is its integrated power socket, ensuring that no power outlet goes to waste. It also offers a single gigabit Ethernet port for direct, secure connections, and like other TP-Link models, it supports plug-and-play installation with no additional configuration required. Additionally, the AV1000 works seamlessly with other TP-Link AV adapters, making it easy to expand your network as needed. Whether you're a gamer, streamer, or remote worker, this adapter ensures a fast, reliable connection without interruptions. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.